If you wake up 3 or 4 times every single night to use the bathroom, I need you to hear something that your doctor has probably never said to you directly. The problem is not your bladder. Your bladder is doing exactly what it is supposed to do. It is filling, sending a signal, and asking to be emptied. The problem is that the signal is arriving too early and too often because something else is interfering with the system that controls when that signal fires. That something else is your prostate. Specifically, the pressure your prostate is creating on the surrounding tissue and nerve pathways every single night while you sleep. Pressure that triggers the urge signal before your bladder is anywhere near full. Pressure that pulls you out of the deep sleep your body desperately needs. Pressure that is building quietly all day and reaching its peak exactly when you lie down. And there is a specific spot, one that most urologists never mention, that when pressed correctly for 10 seconds before bed, physically reduces that pressure before it has the chance to wake you up. I am going to show you exactly where it is, and exactly how to use it. I'm Dr. Elena Martinez, a urologist who has spent 10 years working with men over 60 who accepted broken sleep as the price of aging. It is not the price of aging. It is the price of not knowing this. Before we go further, if you are one of the millions of men waking up 3 or 4 times every night, hit the like button right now. It helps other men find this when they are searching at 3 in the morning. Drop a comment telling me where you're watching from. I read every single one. And subscribe because this channel exists for exactly the information most doctors run out of time to share. Let me explain why the standard advice fails and why the spot works when nothing else does. Most men with nocturia are told 2 things. Drink less water. Cut caffeine after noon. And while those adjustments help slightly, they do not address the actual mechanical problem causing most of the nighttime waking. Here is what is actually happening inside your body when you lie down at night. During the day, gravity keeps fluid in your legs and lower body. When you lie down, that fluid redistributes into your bloodstream. Your kidneys process it. Your bladder fills faster than it does during the day. This is normal and happens to everyone. But in men with prostate enlargement, and this affects most men over 50 to some degree, the prostate is already creating pressure on the urethra and the surrounding nerve network. When you lie down and bladder filling accelerates, that pressure increases. The nerves that control the urge signal become hypersensitive, and they start firing long before the bladder is actually full. The result is what you already know. Up at midnight. Up at 2. Up at 4. Exhausted by morning. And no amount of fluid restriction changes the mechanical pressure that is driving the whole cycle. Think of it like a garden hose with someone standing on it. The water pressure builds behind the foot. You can reduce the water coming in, but as long as the foot is there, the pressure remains. Your prostate is that foot. The spot I am going to show you is how you move it. I want to tell you about a patient I see regularly. He is 73 years old. Retired teacher. His wife had moved to the guest room 2 years earlier because his getting up 4 times a night was disturbing her sleep too. He had tried every fluid restriction strategy his doctor suggested. Nothing changed. When I showed him this technique, he looked at me like I was describing something from a different world. He said, "Nobody has ever told me to do anything physical for this. Every conversation has been about pills or surgery." He tried it that night. He woke up once. Does this sound like something you needed to find? Comment below right now. Just type the number of times you wake up most nights. I read every single one. Here is exactly where the spot is and how to use it correctly. The spot is called the perineum. It is the area of soft tissue located between the base of the scrotum and the anus. This area sits directly below your prostate, and applying gentle firm pressure here physically decompresses the prostate gland from below, reducing the pressure it is creating on the surrounding nerve network. This is not a new discovery. Perineal massage for prostate health has been used in urology for decades, but it is almost never mentioned in a standard appointment because it requires explanation time that most doctors do not have. Here is how to do it correctly. Sit on the edge of your bed before lying down. Using 2 or 3 fingers, Apply gentle but firm pressure to the perineum, the soft tissue between the scrotum and the anus. Hold that pressure for 10 seconds. Release. Repeat 3 times. Total time, 30 seconds. The pressure you are applying is decompressing the prostate gland, reducing inflammation in the surrounding tissue, and resetting the sensitivity of the nerve pathways that control the urge signal. You should feel a mild sense of release or pressure relief in the pelvic area. Some men feel warmth. Some feel nothing initially, but notice the difference when they wake up. For the technique to work most effectively, combine it with this. Before pressing the spot, urinate completely. Then use double voiding, urinate, wait 2 minutes, try again. You will be surprised how much remains. A more completely emptied bladder combined with reduced prostate pressure gives you the best possible foundation for an uninterrupted night. For men asking about natural support that reduces prostate inflammation from the inside while this technique addresses it from the outside, I've left something in the description specifically for men over 60 navigating exactly this. The two approaches together produce results that neither produces alone. Worth reading before tonight. The retired teacher whose wife had moved to the guest room. He came back 3 weeks later. He said, "She moved back. Not because I asked her to. Because she noticed on her own that I was sleeping through the night." That is what one technique, 30 seconds before bed, did for his life. Not just his sleep, his marriage, his mornings, his energy, his entire quality of life. Because sleep, it turns out, is where the body does everything. Testosterone production, vascular repair, hormone regulation, immune function, memory, mood. When sleep returns, everything else begins to follow. That link in the description, read it today. A lot of men your age found it at exactly this moment and combined it with this technique and reported sleeping through the night within the first week. Tell me in the comments, are you going to try this tonight? Just say, trying tonight, and I will know you found this at the right moment. I read every single one. If this gave you something real, hit like. It helps other men find this at 3 in the morning when they need it most. Subscribe so we can keep having these conversations. And share this with a man you know who has accepted broken sleep as normal, because it is not normal. And now he has something to do about it. I'm Dr. Elena Martinez. And I'm here to remind you, broken sleep is not your destiny. It is a pressure problem. And pressure problems have solutions. Take care of yourself. You are worth it.